Hi, today I'm going to show you another option for an exercise you can do instead of sit-ups. My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. I'm trying to get the world to stop doing sit-ups. They're really hard on the discs in your lumbar spine and they are not very functional. So this is another option you can try to get some ab work that you're looking for without compromising the discs in your low back and being a little bit more functional. It's called a ball rollout. What you're gonna do is get a cushion for underneath your knees so you protect your knee joints so you're not kneeling on a hard surface. You're gonna lean over on the ball onto your elbows, and then you're gonna get your ears, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in line as best you can. And then you're gonna tighten up your butt and squeeze your belly button in. Do a little bit of a posterior tilt, okay? And then you're gonna roll out with the ball and then come back. So if you're new to these, you're just gonna go a couple of inches forward and a couple of inches back, making sure that you're maintaining that good belly in, butt tight, posterior tilt position throughout the whole motion. You don't wanna lose that position because then you can see what's happening now. I'm hyperextending through my low back each time I reach out, and that's actually super uncomfortable. So maintain that butt tight belly button in and roll out as far as you're comfortable going and come on back. As you get stronger, you're gonna slide out a little further and work to a longer reach. So you can really stretch out pretty good once you get stronger. And you should definitely feel that, definitely in your butt, certainly in your abdominal muscles. Give it a try, see what you think. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really does help my small business grow. Thank you so much for listening.